Hello students, now we will start question number 4 from exercise 9.2. Question is find the value of, in that the first one is given minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So for a division, what we have to do, as we discussed in introduction and during our live video, that minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3 is there. So first of all, minus 4, I can write down this as minus 4. Here you can see that minus 4 multiply by, now this 2 by 3 is there, so we have to take reciprocal for this one. So reciprocal means what? This denominator's value will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, so it will become 3 upon 2. So now we can directly multiply that thing, because here the sign, multiplication sign is there. So whenever there's a question be like we have to find division of rational numbers, so the second term is there, which is there, so we have to take reciprocal for that. So for that, how we can have to solve this question? Here you can see that the first one is minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So for that, first of all, minus 4 divided by 2 by 3, so we will take reciprocal for this one. So minus 4, and we can write remove this divide by, and we can write down this as a multiplication. We have to, कोई भी अगर आपको डिवीज़न का सम पूछे तो 2/3 है, तो डिवाइड बाय 2/3 है, सो हम क्या करेंगे, इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे, जो भी नंबर है उसके साथ हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो हियर आई कैन राइट डाउन दिस एज minus 4 multiply by 3 divided by 2. So minus 4, if nothing is there, I can write down this as a minus 4 upon 1. So now we can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So minus 4 multiply by 3 upon 1 multiply by 2. So minus 4 into 2, I will get minus 4 into 3, I will get minus 12 upon 1 2 is 2. And we know that 2 6 are 12, but here the negative 12 was there, so it will be minus 6. So that is our answer. Similarly, moving to the next one, minus 3 divided by 5, minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. So as we have done in the previous one, first of all minus 3 upon 5, and we have to take reciprocal of this one, and we can multiply that with minus 3 upon 5. So I can write down this minus 3 upon 5 multiply by this 2 is there. So if 2 is there, so I can write down this 2 as 2 upon 1. So reciprocal for that will be 1 upon 2. If only 2 is there, so we can write down upon 1. So reciprocal for that will be 1 upon 2. So similarly here, reciprocal for this 2 will be 1 upon 2. So minus 3 multiply by 1 upon 5 multiply by 2. So minus 3 into 1, I will get minus 3 upon 5 2 is 10. So minus 3 by 10, that is our answer. Similarly, moving to the next one. So again, the same method we will follow as we have done in the previous one. Minus 4 by 5 multiply by, now we will take reciprocal for this one. So reciprocal for this one will be what? So reciprocal for, we have to take only for 3. So reciprocal for that will be, I can write down this 3 as a 3 upon 1, and here it is minus 3. So what reciprocal for that will be what? It is minus 1 upon 3, because this term was for numerator is negative. So here minus 4 upon 5, and reciprocal for that will be minus 1 upon 3. So now we can directly multiply numerator with numerator. So minus 4 multiply by minus 1 divided by 5 multiply by 3. So minus 4 into minus 1, so it will become positive 1, because minus minus plus upon 5 3s are 15. So that is our answer. Similarly, moving to the next one, minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 by 4. So again minus 1 upon 8. Now we will write down multiply by, I will take reciprocal for this one. So reciprocal of this will be 4 upon 3. So now I can multiply directly minus 1 into 4. multiply by 8 divide by 8 multiply by 3. So minus 1 into 4, I will get minus 4, and 8 3s are 24. So minus 4 upon 24, that is the answer. But we can further cut this one because we know that 4 6 are 24, but this 6 is in division. So we can write down this as minus 1 upon 6. That is our answer. Similarly, going to the next one, minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. So again, to solve this, what we will do, minus 2 upon 13 multiply by, I will take reciprocal for this one, so it will become 7 upon 1. Now I can multiply numerator with numerator, so minus 2 into 7, and denominator with denominator. So 7 into 2, 14, and here it will be negative 14 upon 13. So here the value of denominator is lesser than numerator, so we can convert this into mixed fraction. So 13 ones are 1, and plus 1 I will get 14, and here I will put negative sign. So minus 1 integer 1 upon 13. Similarly, moving to the next one, minus 7 divided by 12, minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 30. So for that, minus 7 upon 12, and here I will put multiplication sign, and we will take reciprocal. So minus 2 upon 13 is there, so numerator is negative, so we will change the, now here the value of denominator will become the value of numerator, and value of numerator will become value of numerator. So we'll take reciprocal for this one. So here we can write down this as minus 13 upon 2. So here we will multiply numerator with numerator, divide by denominator with denominator. So minus 7 into minus 13. So minus minus plus, it will become minus minus plus. So 13 sevens are 91 upon 12 twos are 24. And here again the value of denominator is lesser than numerator, so we can convert this into mixed fractions. So first of all, denominator is 24, so 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72. So we will use here 24 threes are 72, and in 72 how much I have to add? We'll add 19. So 24 threes are 72 plus 19, I will get 91. Here I have taken 24 threes are 72 because 24 fours are, it is 96, which is more than 91. So 3 integer 19 upon 24 is our answer. Similarly, moving to the last one, 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. So 3 upon 13 multiply by, now we will take reciprocal for this one, so it will become minus 65 upon 4. Now we have done number of sums, so we can do these things directly. You can also pause video for a second and you may try by yourself. I am 100% sure that you will surely solve this one. So 3 into, we will multiply numerator with numerator, so 3 multiply by minus 65 upon 13 multiply by 4. So 3 into minus 65, what will be the answer? It will be 195, but negative 1. So 195 divided by 13 fours are 52. So minus 195 upon 52. So at last 5 and 2 is there, so that means both are divisible with 3. So 195 divided by 3. So if you will do that, you will get, you will not get the solution with 3. So first of all, at last 5 and 2 is there. So here just now we have done in the one question that 13 multiplied by 15, we got 195. So now we know that if I will do 13 multiplied by 15, so 13 15s are 195 and 13 fours are 42. So here I can write down this as minus 15 upon 4. So that is our answer, and here the value of denominator is lesser than numerator, so we can also convert this in the mixed fraction. So 4 divided by 4, 4 threes are, we know that it is 12. In that, if I will add 3, we will get 15 upon 4, and that is -1. So minus 3 integer 3 upon 4, that is our solution. So this is how we have to use this type of, we have to solve this type of questions. So here we are completing this one and also this chapter. If you are having any query or question regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. So thank you.